This is a Native American story about a young girl named Billy Wind. Billy Wind was a curious girl who lived in a small village in Florida with her tribe. She loved to explore the world around her and ask questions about everything she saw. But most of all, she loved science and dreamed of becoming a scientist when she grew up. She wanted to go to college and learn about the stars and the planets and all the wonders of the universe. One day, Billy Wind went to the village elders and told them about her dream. The elders were very wise, and they had lived long enough to see many changes in the world. They knew that Billy Wind's dream was very big and that it would take a lot of hard work and determination to achieve it. So they sat down with her and told her some stories about the culture and history of her tribe. They told her about a time when the earth itself spoke to humans and shared its wisdom with them. They said that the wind, the water, and the animals all had something to teach if you only knew how to listen. But Billy Wind didn't believe them. She thought these were just old stories with no real meaning. She wanted to be a scientist, not a storyteller. So Billy Wind told the elders that she didn't believe the earth could talk. The elders were very disappointed, but they knew that Billy Wind had to learn this lesson on her own. So they told her that if she didn't believe what they said, then she should go into the Everglades National Park alone and listen to the earth. Maybe then she would understand. Billy Wind didn't want to go, but she had no choice. So she packed a small canoe with some food and supplies and paddled out into the swamp. At first, Billy struggled to survive in the Everglades. She had no shelter, no food, and no one to help her. The swamp was full of strange sounds, and she felt afraid. But slowly, she started to pay attention to the world around her. She watched how the animals survived, how the alligators waited patiently for their food instead of wasting energy, how the turtles hid in their shells when danger was near, how the birds warned each other when an animal came to attack, and she realized that nature had its own way of teaching. She learned how to catch fish, make a fire, and find shelter, just like the animals did. After many days in the wild, Billy Wind was no longer afraid. She learned how to survive, but more importantly, she learned how to listen. The earth did talk not with words, but through the sounds of the wind, the movements of animals, and the changes in the land. Everything in nature was connected, and if people did not take care of it, the balance would be broken. When Billy Wind finally returned to the village, she was a changed person. She still loved science and wanted to be a scientist, but now she also understood the importance of nature and the environment. She knew that the earth had a lot to teach us if we only knew how to listen.